hindi naging driver sa mga decisions ko ang pera.
Oo.
Parang ang driver talaga sa decisions ko saan ako magiging masaya. The broadcast industry is a very different industry from cinema. Kung mas nakararami ang gusto mong kausapin, you have to make your content palatable to them, acceptable to them.
So how did you pick up the pieces? Paano mo na ibalik na ang ABS ulit ay naging number 1? Ano yung mga inisip mo? Sabi mo nga, iniyak mo. Tapos paano mo, kasi minsan pag umiyak ka, nag-blur yung vision mo di ba? Nagiging cloudy, hindi ka makapag-isip ng diretso. So ano yung naging wake-up call mo para tapos na, iniyak ko na yan. Kailangan ko ng ayusin.
Yung mindset ko kasi is nothing lasts forever. That statement grounded me. Whether it's success or it's failure, nothing
is
lasts
forever.
So alam ko na, babangon din ako. At dudurugin ko kayo.
Alam ko yun, mga sleepless nights, di ba? Para maibalik.
Huwag ka nang tumingin sa iba, huwag ka nang manisi. Tingnan mo na lang yung sarili mo. Own up to it. Be accountable for your decisions. And when you own up to it, you accept it, then you're able to do something about it. And then it provides clarity, di ba? Kasi hindi mo na tinitingnan yung iba kasi dati, di ba, pag ayaw mo tanggapin, kasi ganito siya kasi ganito siya, kasi ginawa, kasi kulang naman tayo ng ganito. O lahat ng rason, di ba, ganyan, di ba? Don't you think? O lahat na sinisi.
Pwera sarili mo.
Pwera sarili mo. Hindi
correct.
mo syempre, ang sakit
Yes.
Ang sakit tumanggap ng pagkakamali. So, remove all the external factors. Tingnan mo lang sarili mo. Alam mo, magkakaroon ka ng clarity talaga kung anong next steps na gagawin mo. Clarity and humility and talagang full acceptance. And then you take charge. Take charge na. Okay, what's my battle plan? Ganon.
Galing, no? So when you retired 10 years ago, at the age of 60, you were the president. Nung masasabi mo ba, were you excited to retire? Did you want to stay on? Was it a decision that was difficult to make? Kasi now you're still very active. Diba? ang nakakatuwa nga, you discovered social media. TikTok, diba? Tapos ngayon talagang mas light ka, mas game ka, hindi corporate ang dating mo. Diba? Yung talagang, kumbaga, you let your hair down na. So, ano ang naging, paano ka nag-iba? Yung 180-degree turn mo from somebody corporate, serious, everybody, then all of a sudden now they see you dancing, di ba? They see you in front of the cameras again, as a batang Quiapo ka. Dati hanggang MMK ka lang, di ba? Yung babasa ka lang. Pero ngayon may acting ka, may sampalan, sinasabunutan mo pa, dinadrag mo pa talaga yung Naku, nung pinanood ko yun, sabi ko, oh my God, I don't want to be that Nakikita mong gigil na si Ma'am Charo. Parang walang daya yun. Sa Batang Quiapo.
Ganun talaga ang artista. Kung ano requirement ng eksena, gagawin mo.
Parang na-carried away ka naman yata, Ma'am Charo. Parang pag hindi mo ba nakuha isang tumpot ng buhok?
Hindi naman. Nasa acting yan, may technique.
May technique. Pero yun na nga, di ba, from your retirement sa ABS 10 years ago, tapos ngayon, na nag-iba ka ng, hindi naman nag-iba, lumawak ang iyong karera. Ano yung nangyari?
Happy na lang ako.
Happy ka na lang. Bakit?
Wala nang pressure.
Wala nang ratings na hinahabol.
Diba? So I look forward naman to retiring. Hindi naman ako yung talagang, meron akong pagtanggap, kaya nga happy ako, ganyan. But then, hindi naman ibig sabihin ng nag-retire ka, mamamatay ka sa loob mo, di ba? That passion to still continue telling stories was there. And I may not have had the same venue or the same space in ABS-CBN, Pero nakita ko siya sa larangan ng pag-arte.
Oo.
May dumating na offer.
Oo.
Hindi ko naman hinanap eh. Dumating si Direk Love Diaz, Charo, gusto mo bang bumalik ulit sa pag-arte?
Oo.
Ay, sige po, depende sa kwento. Eh, pagpadala niya ng script,
Oo.
nagustuhan ko kaagad.
Oo.
So, nagkaroon ng, alam mo yun, nagkaroon ng outlet yung passion ko
Yeah.
for storytelling.
Oo.
Pero hindi na in the same role
Iba
as
na.
Iba
Yes.
na,
Oo.
artista na. And then, it took a while for me to embrace social media. Siyempre, boomer ako. Boomer, di ba? Hindi naman tayo sanay na kinikwento
Ito
yung
lahat.
Oo, ganyan.
Pagkagising pa lang, meron
it
ng
took a while. And then, I also went through my own personal struggles,
Struggles,
di ba?
yeah.
In my private life, di
Yeah.
ba? I was taking care of a sick husband,
Yeah.
ganyan. So, I had time to really be in touch with myself, with my inner self, di ba? Yung pagtanggap mo sa lahat ng dinadaanan mo. And and then one day I just made a decision na okay, I want to continue to inspire people. And the best way to inspire people is to show them how I am living my life
Yeah.
now. In my senior years.
Yes. Kasi nga, I was going to ask you that nga eh. Parang you want to inspire people. Sabi mo nga kanina before we started na yung mga senior ngayon, hindi na sila natatakot to embrace social media kasi ikaw naging role model. Oo. Ano yung mga kwento nila pag lumalapit sila sa iyo about yun na nga na discover nila
I enjoy
ang
your
TikTok?
content, Ma'am Charo.
Oo.
And then, okay naman pala sa social media, no? Ngayon, nagti-TikTok na rin ako. At saka, I enjoy studying the dance steps. Kaya mo. So, kaya ko rin pala.
Oo.
Yung ganyan.
Yeah.
And then, mga retired people na, ay, hindi pwedeng wala akong ginagawa. Hindi pwedeng I know I have to keep busy because, di ba? For as long as merong hininga o humihinga ka, there's something to discover.
So, have you decided what you want to do in the next 5 or 10 years pa? Kasi nga, do you see yourself being as busy? Parang busier ka now eh. Kasi nga, I mean, busier in the sense na you're just more visible, di ba? Kasi nga, you just open TikTok, you're always there. Tapos you turn on the TV, pagdating ng alas 8, nakikita ka sa Batang Quiapo. So, meron ka pa bang career plan na...
Wala.
So, you just, kumbaga, anything goes.
Yeah.
Kung may offer,
Yes.
oo, ganun
Oo.
na lang.
Kung may offer, ay, maganda. Okay yan.
Oo. So, ano mga ipapayo mo, Ma'am Charo, sa mga babae na gustong gayahin yung yapak mo, maging isang, hopefully, presidente ng isang network, maging batikan na artista, maging magaling na TikTok sensation, di ba? Maging leading lady ni Ding Dong Dante.
Oo, can you imagine?
Di ba? I watch it.
ko.
Na ano ako eh,
Oy.
nabitin ako.
Ang dami nga.
Di ba?
nagsasabi.
Oo, dapat ano
Ma'am
yun
Charo,
eh.
dapat naman may
bitin.
part 2.
Oo, bitin.
Bigyan nyo naman kami ng closure, sila ang walang closure.
Ako naman sasabihin ko, bigyan mo naman kami ng chance. Maka-inspire. No,
Bigyan mo naman kami ng closure.
Oo nga,
Sabi
kasi
ko,
bitin
mag-rally
eh.
po kayo sa EDSA. Baka magkaroon ng part 2.
So, yun na nga, ano yung advice mo sa mga
Ako sa mga kababaihan, o
I'm sure
kahit na
lagi
sa
sila
mga,
nagtatanong.
o kahit na sa mga lalaki, di ba? Parang especially the Gen Zs,
Yes.
the young people who are watching this, know your value. Believe in yourself. Don't let anyone intimidate you. Sa mga babae, I know it's a man's world, di ba?
Yes.
Yung dog eat dog,
Oo.
ganyan. But just be confident.
How do you
Stay
fight off men who are like bullies in the workplace? I'm sure, di ba?
Yeah.
Kasi tingin nila sa mga babae, second-class citizen.
Oo.
Tapos, if you're trying to assert your strength or your power or your authority, nako, 'di ba? Yung mga lalaki, paano nga 'yan? Kasi marami tayong mga naririnig yung mga lalaki na hindi nila talaga ma-accept na babae mas mataas sa kanila or they're taking orders. What advice can you give women who suffer?
You have to know your value.
Oo.
Dapat alam mo na, alam mo ang capabilities mo. Alam mo yung talent mo, alam mo yung galing mo, at believe ka sa galing mo. Hindi ko sinasabing magyabang ka sa galing mo. Bumilib ka sa galing mo. And dapat, handa kang harapin kahit na sino.
Correct.
Confidence in yourself.
Yeah.
Oo. You have to have a very, very strong sense of self.
Oo. So in this industry we are in, the movie industry, television industry, did you notice also the change na in the landscape? Paano nag-iiba yung ating mundo ngayon ng
Nagiging
showbiz?
entrepreneurial na ang mga talents, di ba?
Oo.
They're forming their own companies. Oo, nagiging, yun na nga, nagiging business-minded na rin sila. They are charting their own careers, di ba? Kasi ang dami ng playground lumawak ang playground
And then, pero yung masasabi mong may network wars pa rin ba? Paano yung mga artista, mas naging professional ba sila ngayon? Or mas naging, parang nakakatakot na maging artista dahil ang dami-dami na masyado. Tapos may mga vloggers, may mga bloggers pa, may mga influencers. Hindi ba masyadong magulo na ang showbiz na rin?
Sa akin, ang advice ko, you just have to be your authentic self. Make sure, di ba, yung totoo mong pagkatao ang nakikita ng audience mo. That's the only way you can continue to engage your audience. Number 2, you still have to work. You have to work on your craft. Pagbutihan mo. Because ang laki na nga ang laki na nga ng ang laki na nga ng platform, di ba? Ang laki na nga ang lawak na, ang dami ng choices. Ba't kita papanoorin?
Ma'am Charo, ang lawak-lawak na nga ng industriya, di ba? May social media, may TV pa rin, may pelikula. Pero nakikita mo bang gumaganda yung antas in terms of quality? Nag-i-improve ba tayo yung ating mga pelikula? Masasabi ba na natin international, world class? Yung mga serye natin, masasabi ba natin na parang mga K-drama na yan? Yung content natin
I
din.
think we're getting there. Kasi there are a lot more producers and directors, young filmmakers taking risks, di ba? In their content. They're offering something different. The storytelling structure is, di ba, evolving. So, nakikita mo naman yung nag-a-adapt sila sa changing times, di ba?
In terms of improvement, ano ba ang nakikita mo, kailangan pa natin i-improve? Dapat ba? Kasi parang sinasabi nila, nako, itong mga film festival, lagi na lang yung kahirapan ng Pilipino pinapakita. 'Di ba? Para sabi nila, hindi na ba tayo pwedeng lumampas sa ganyan? So, kayo po, Ma'am Charo, meron ka bang nakikita na paraan kung paano tayo mare-recognize talaga? Kasi Magellan will be in the Oscars.
Yes.
'Di ba? Yung mga ganun na talagang titingin sila sa Pilipinas na maraming makukuhang pelikula dyan na pwedeng ipagmalaki.
With a lot of help from government. Yes.
Yeah. Like Magellan, no? It had really a lot of
with a lot
government.
of help from government. Kasi theatrical is challenged, 'di ba? After the
Mahal.
pandemic.
Yes,
Pandemic, 'di ba? Nag-iba na And then with the so many streaming platforms, paano? Ang attitude ng tao ngayon, hindi hintayin ko na lang yan sa sa Netflix, hintayin ko na lang yan sa streaming platforms, 'di ba? They don't go to the theater. How will you make people go to the theater?
Yeah.
And so producers or filmmakers their hands are tied. They make small films. Kasi kailangan din naman kung ikaw
Kumita ka rin.
financier, kailangan bumalik yung kapital mo. Diba there's a business side to creativity. There's a business side to filmmaking.
Yeah.
Hindi mo pwedeng i-isolate. This is just a piece of, this is a piece of art or a piece of content. Ngayon, di ba, kung meron kang personal na pwede mong isugal.
Itapon o isugal,
Why not? Go ahead. But let's face the reality. Di ba, you're a financier, you're a producer, you want your money back.
What kind of help or support ang kailangan ng industriya natin ngayon para sumigla ulit? Kasi nga para bumalik ang mga tao manood ng mga pelikula, 'di ba? Talagang may mga fans club ulit na mga diehard. Ngayon parang hindi na sila masyado, parang panahon ni Nora Honor at ni Vilma Santos. Yun ang masasabi natin talagang very very active yung ating industriya. Ngayon parang tahimik kasi nga hindi siya masyadong prolific. 'Di ba? Yung sabi mo nga kanina kay Mother Lily, every 15 days may ginagawang pelikula.
Oo, iba kasi wala pa naman tayong streaming doon Iba ngayon, iba talaga ang nagawa ng, it's fragmented. And we have to accept that.
Fragmented.
That's why there are opportunities nga for independent filmmakers. Kasi you don't have naman to please the mainstream market, 'di ba? I want to go niche, may place ka doon. And who knows, 'di ba? How it will continue to evolve. Pero yung mainstream talaga, pag tinanong mo
challenging
talaga, challenge talaga kasi pag tinanong mo talaga, bakit nanonood ang mga tao ng sine? Ang unang factor naman talaga diyan yung mga idols nila, yung mga, 'di ba, yung mga icons nila, yan talaga so getting far and few between.
Yes.
'Di ba? Kasi nga nag-iba na yung landscape in entertainment.
So it will probably take a lot of government support talaga.
Yes.
At saka siguro babaan ng presyo ng mga pelikula. Sa tingin mo ba, kung hindi na masyadong mahal, baka kung 100 pesos na lang, mas marami nang manunood?
Naku, alam yan ng FDCP kung ano ang mga problema, no? How government can intercede on behalf of the industry. I think sana rin itrato ang movie industry or entertainment industry as a real industry. 'Di ba? Hindi
negosyo. Hindi lang glamorous na kung saan magaganda lang yung mga tao na nagtatrabaho doon. Dapat negosyo talaga.
Hindi lang tayo nagdadala ng saya, ng aliw, hindi lang, 'di ba? You treat us like a real industry.
Ma'am Charo, ikaw leader, no doubt about it. But do you have people that you look up to, that you want also to follow in their footsteps, or you take their life or their leadership values is something that you admire, and if given the chance, you can emulate? Meron bang tao? Is there such a person or such people that you admire?
My mentors.
Who are?
Mike De Leon,
the late Mike De Leon.
was really my first mentor in filmmaking. Mother Lily for her, risk-taking and courage, no? The late Henny Lopez also, who impressed upon me the value of excellence.
Yes.
Yeah. Well, and then I have to go back. Mentorship starts at home. And I will always credit my parents, my father and my mother, for the values that I stand on. My work ethic, yung my integrity at work, di ba? My sense of fair play, and yung empathy ko sa tao.
And I'm sure a lot of people are asking, ngayon na byuda ka, meron ka bang pagkakataon na gusto mong mag-asawa ulit? Are you entertaining suitors?
Hindi ko naiisip yun.
Pero I'm sure marami nagpaparamdam.
I'm not ready to accept any visitors. I'm not ready to receive any visitors.
Talaga? You enjoy being a widow?
Yeah.
You don't get lonely?
Wala. Kasi enjoy ako sa buhay ko.
Wala
akong pinapaalamanan, wala akong binabalanse, di ba? Kung gusto ko umalis ng bahay, alis ako. Kung may gusto akong puntahan, pupuntahan ko. Hindi, wala na yung, can I, ganyan. There's this
Paalam.
invitation, wala nang mga paalam, ganyan. It's my me time. It's my me time. All of my life, I've been taking care of people, so I guess this is my me time.
So how do you unwind? How would you say you still get stressed? Do you still need time to distress? Do you still need time to relax? Or how
I
do you
do yoga. Every day, at least an hour every day. I clean the house.
Aba, yung therapeutic sa'yo?
Yes.
Na para kang Martha Stewart?
Tapos gusto ko, nagpa-plancha ako ng mga damit ko. gusto ko yun. Kasi, oo, nakafocus talaga ako sa pagplansya. Naalisin mo yung mga,
Yung
diba?
mga gusot-gusot,
Creases,
yes,
oo,
creases.
ganyan.
Oo.
Gustong-gusto ko yan. While I'm listening to vintage music. Oo.
Mm.
Old music, the old standards.
Oo.
Gustong-gusto ko yung mga music of the 50s, 60s, 70s.
Yeah.
No?
Oo. Do you like traveling with your siblings, with sina Malu? Ano
Yes.
yung mga...
Pero ngayon, madami na sumasakit sa mga kasukasuan ni Malu.
Binisto Si Malu pa. Kasi Malu pa
Hindi, pareho kami.
Oo.
So, it's not as tiring. Yung mga short trips lang.
Yeah,
Wala
oo.
na yung mga 2 weeks na you hop from one country to another,
yung
di ba?
mahahaba.
Oo,
So you prefer
mamamatay
yung mga
ka.
short trips.
Oo. Tsaka ayoko na may schedule. Yung you wake up at 6, have breakfast at 7, leave the hotel at 8. Nako, ano na.
So yung mga ito, when you look back at
Leisurely.
your decades in media, Ma'am Charo, which moments are you most proud of? Which moments are the ones you parang want to, nako, if I'm given a chance, repeat, or I will do this instead? May mga ganyan ka ba? May mga pinagsisihan o tsaka yung mga pinaka talaga masasabi mong, nako, proud na proud ako dyan?
Proud na proud ako sa pagbangon ng
Mm-hmm.
ABS-CBN when we lost its ratings. When we lost our ranking as
Yeah.
number 1 and bringing it back to the
Mm-mm.
topmost position.
Parang at least when you retired, number 1 ng ABS, no?
Yes.
That was your swan song,
Yes,
di ba? Na talagang
yes.
mapagmamalaki mo, at
Oo.
least hindi ka umalis na number
Yes,
2.
yes,
Oo.
yes.
Pero yung point naman na, nako, kung may babalik ko lang ang panahon, dapat ito yung ginawa ko. May ganun
Wala
ka ba?
na, walang regrets.
No,
so,
no
I
time.
just look at the lessons learned.
Yeah.
Pero kasama naman yun sa pagkatao mo, di ba?
Oo.
Yung mga pagkakamali mo at kung saan ka bumangon,
Oo.
kasama sa kung sino ka ngayon.
So looking back, why do you think ABS slipped to number 2? At hindsight, was it complacency? You were so sure at the time na we'll be able to keep our ranking as the number 1 network. Were you blindsided?
Yes, I guess so.
Oo.
May complacency, meron kang mga bagay-bagay na ayaw mong aminin. Di ba? May mga problema na ayaw mong tingnan. You take things for granted na you think you will be there forever, di ba?
Yeah. Oo.
So, kasama yun.
Oo. Pero how long did it take before you were able to get the number 1 position again?
Maybe a year.
A year.
A year.
Oo.
A
1
year.
year of sleepless nights talaga
Yes,
thinking.
so, kasi ang ratings noon, Mega Manila lang.
Only.
Let me qualify,
Okay.
no? Wala pang national ratings
Oo.
noon. So, Mega Manila pa lang. So, sa Mega Manila talaga, because we were not seen in Central Luzon
So,
yet. The
yeah.
signal, was
Yeah.
not so
Oo,
good.
wala pa
no?
nung digital
Oo,
noon,
pero
yung box.
syempre, di ba, content is the one being graded every day sa ratings. So, ratings, laging content ang sinisisi.
Oo.
Di ba? Pero yung ibang factors, hindi mo nakikita.
Yeah.
And then one day, the national ratings came.
Oo.
And guess what? We have been number 1 all along
Ah.
in the national ratings.
Oh, so sa Mega Manila lang.
Mega Manila lang talaga.
Pero that was enough already for you to...
yes,
kumbaga,
because wala pang national ratings.
At that
So
time.
you're being judged on the basis of Mega,
Mega
Manila,
Manila,
ratings.
yes.
Nung lumabas yung sabi nung head of research,
Oo.
we have been number 1 all along.
Grabe, no?
But you see,
Oo.
di ba, do I look back and say, pinarusahan niyo ako. Bakit ganyan? Ginudge niyo na kami. Lahat kasalanan ng content.
Oo,
Ganyan.
oo.
No. You never look back. You
Yeah.
say, it was good for my soul.
So
it was good for the soul of the organization to
yeah.
go through that.
Oo.
Because that's when we gathered together and said, ano ba talaga? What are the values we stand on as a company? Di ba, ang daming naituro nun eh. The humbling. Di ba?
Now that ABS also lost its franchise, do you think that the values and the pain that you went through many years ago when ABS lost its number 1 position, is it the same now when ABS lost its franchise?
Oh yeah, masakit.
How was that?
Masakit, but
Oo.
I was not part of the management team anymore, so
Yeah.
I was a person
You were a consultant at
Yeah,
that time.
I was looking at things from the outside.
Yeah.
I was not privy to how, decisions were made.
Oo.
But it was painful because, you were part of the building of a network, di ba?
Yeah.
And then
Oo.
one day, biglang wala.
Oo.
Masakit.
Oo.
But it was a quiet sort of pain. Yung parang,
Yung,
ang lalim.
Oo.
Ang lalim. I am at a loss for words. Hindi ko man-describe. Pero napakalalim na sakit.
pero Ma'am Charo, ngayon na wala ng ABS, kumbaga, was it, I don't want to say blessing in disguise, pero seeing where ABS is now, di ba, na yung mga programa nila napapalabas sa Channel 7, napapalabas sa Channel 5, kumbaga masasabi mo ba ito at least yung sabi mo nga na at this point in time you see more collaboration, is this part of it? Do you see that this will be the trend? There is no one network lang, but it will be a collaboration of different content providers, yung parang ganyan.
Yeah.
Yan ba yung nagiging trend
Well,
ngayon?
kasi storytelling will always be part of
Oh.
life, di ba?
Okay,
I mean,
oo.
that's where we're able to transfer the history of our people,
Yeah.
culture, sumasalamin sa buhay.
Buhay,
eh.
oo,
So
oo.
hindi pwedeng mawala ang pagkikwento. And I think with the many platforms now emerging, there will always be a space for good storytellers.
So do you have any words of advice to people who are watching now in terms of their how they perceive the broadcasting, the movie industry, if they want to follow in your footsteps, or what should they look out for aside from the passion na sabi mo nga kanina na ito ang masasabi ko, dapat lang talaga be true to yourself, be authentic.
Yeah.
But is there anything else in terms of the business side also? Is there something that you want to share?
Explore, continue to explore, take risks, and always look for the truth.
Yeah.
Tell the truth in your stories. Tell the truth that will mirror the lives of your audience to them. Yes.
Ako, thank you very much,
Ayan.
Ma'am Charo. 'Di ba? Very enlightening and very refreshing kasi at least now it's a different perspective eh. Because syempre ikaw leader eh. You're really a leader. So people really look up to you, and when you give pieces of advice, it's something very heartfelt, 'di ba? And something that people will really take to heart because there's sincerity.
Now kasi, di ba, there's microdrama already.
Yung mga
di ba?
verticals,
But
yeah.
I think there will always be room for reflective content. Di ba? You still want to see a full-length feature.
Yeah.
And in a big theater. I don't know how broadcast will evolve, how the broadcast industry will evolve. But guess what, di ba? Many years ago, people said radio will die.
Yes,
But
oo.
radio has just evolved into a podcast.
Oo, correct. Yeah. May
So,
uptick ulit eh.
Oo. So, sabi ko nga sa iyo laging naghahanap ang tao ng kwento.
Kwento. Correct. Oo. Is there a role that you still want to do? Or would you say na, I've already performed my dream role. Meron pa bang may
role.
Role, oo.
A role.
A role, oo.
Ano kaya maganda? A Patpi role?
Ano ko? Corny yun. hindi sila maiiyak, baka matawa na lang sila.
Ay, gusto ko yan. Di ba?
Did you try comedy?
Ay, sa SOCMED.
Sa SOC.
Diba?
Yung mga
lumalabas ang talent ko sa comedy. Yung mga producers po at mga directors who want to cast me in your...
Do you have a dream role that you still want to
Do
fulfill?
I have a dream role?
Yeah. Ikaw naman yung sinasabunutan. Okay lang ba sa'yo?
Okay lang.
Oo, pero hindi dream role yun.
Sa akin kasi kwento ang importante eh. Ano ang kwento? Anong gusto mong sabihin? And then the character comes in late. Pero ano kaya?
Mga Meryl Streep, parang gano'n. Devil
Parang
Wears Prada.
I want to do a Devil Wears Prada.
Yes, bagay
Diba?
sa'yo, Ma'am Charo yun.
Gusto ko yun.
Social na
Yung
social
nanlalait,
Oo,
diba?
nanlalait, pero social. Di ba? Yung maganda magbihis. Oo, bagay sa'yo yun. Dapat Devil Wears Prada, Pinoy style.
Ano pa ba? Ano pa bang magandang role?
Magandang role sa'yo, Bridges of Madison.
Ay!
Oh,
Mahirap
bakit?
yan. May intense love scene.
Oo, kaedaran mo naman. Kasi si Ding Dong mas bata.
Oo,
Dapat may
kaedaran
kaedaran
ko.
mo. Parang yun ang mga nakikita ko. Meryl
Hindi ko
Streep ang
alam kung
nakikita sa'yo.
komportable pa ako mag-love scene. Magiging comfortable. And I tell my directors that I'm not comfortable doing love scenes.
Love
Hindi
scene-
ko alam.
Love scene as in, hindi naman, yung kunyari kiss, you're not comfortable.
I'm not comfortable.
Talaga, oo. Okay. Ako, kasi ako naman
Mabibilang mo ang love scenes ko sa pelikula, sa Kakabakaba with Boy.
Oo. But yung kay Ding Dong, meron, di ba, yung pareho kayo nasa kama, pero hindi siya love scene. Pero
Ay, wala.
nakaiga lang kasi
Nakaiga
kayo.
lang,
Oo,
nandun
oo.
lang. Titigan.
Kaya nga bitin. Parang ano ba to?
Sabi ng mga nakapanood,
Oo.
bakit naman ganon?
Oo nga
Bakit
eh. Oo.
Bakit ganon lang? Bigyan nyo naman kami ng closure. Sabi nila.
Sige, mag-part 2 tayo
Sabi
nun.
ko, hi, nako.
Okay, Ms. Charo Santos'
Tingnan
conscious
natin.
journey reminds us that purpose, leadership, and storytelling are inseparable. Thank you so much, Ma'am Charo, for sharing your insights and experiences today and for inspiring the next generation of leaders in Philippine television. And to everyone watching, thank you for joining this conversation. May we continue to honor the stories and artists who are the faces and forces that move Philippine cinema. Thank you very
My
much, Ma'am
pleasure,
Charo!
The longer I stay in this industry, parang mas lalo nahihiya yung mga taong
Lumapit sa
It can be intense, yung talagang mababaliw ka sa the shrieks.
I agree, yung sense of community mahalaga talaga din sa film school.
Yun ang talagang kill me now.
I would say, yeah, na baby.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's okay.
Ilang pelikulang ginagawa ninyo kada buwan?
Ang bilis ng tabloids dati, parang, ay!
At that time, I had to choose. I was at the peak of my career.
What's your record? 7 countries?
Proud na proud ako sa pagbangon ng ABS-CBN.